Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us tonight. A former area school bus driver receives his sentence for sexually assaulting 4 boys.
But as it turns out, it was the judge's comments which may be more memorable than the punishment itself. 71-year-old Delton Gerges was sentenced to spend the next 7 years of his life in prison. Gerges will also have 15 years of extended supervision after that when he's released. Some of the crimes date back 30 years. During that time, Gerges worked as a school bus driver in the New London School District.
And during sentencing today, WLUK Judge Philip Kirk made statements that took some people aback. Be aware the judge's comments include blunt language that some people may find offensive. Fox 11's Kristen Crowley brings us multiple views.
What you're about to hear Judge Philip Kirk say isn't something you'd expect to hear from a judge.
I think you were born gayer than a sweet-smelling jockstrap.
It's a blunt statement, to say the least, challenging Delton Gerges' claim of being heterosexual.
I think that you lived your life as a lie for all of your years. You got married, you had a child, but it was all a lie.
But the comments made by the judge didn't seem to anger Gerges' attorney.
He will tell you what he thinks, even if the expression of those thoughts is unconventional.
Judge Kirk followed his candid remarks with empathetic ones for the defendant.
I think you're one of the victims here as well. I think you're a victim of society.
A leader of a Green Bay gay rights group was taken aback by some of Judge Kirk's choice words.
Gayer than a sweet-smelling jockstrap.
But while he says that remark was offensive, that's not what bothers him.
You know, sometimes people don't say the right thing, but they potentially mean well. The thing that concerns me is linking homosexuality, linking being gay with, in this case, child molestation.
His remarks have impact. They have impact on the victims and the victim's family. They have impact on the community, and they obviously have impact on the offender.
Janine Geske, who's now a Marquette University professor, says judges have a powerful and influential position, and with it comes certain responsibility.
Somehow seem to compare homosexuality with pedophilia, and I think that his remarks are very unfortunate.
But she goes on to say judges have a lot of leeway in their courtroom. The judge's claim that Gerges has hidden his homosexuality is unproven. As for any repercussions he could face for his remarks in court, according to Wisconsin code, a judge could only be reviewed for his actions if a complaint is filed with the Judicial Commission. Kristen Crowley, Fox 11 News.
And if you'd like, you can hear more of Judge Kirk's remarks from today's hearing on our website, fox11online.com. You'll find that extended video attached to the featured story on our homepage.